Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. Now, I used to consider myself to be my dog's best friend, but I've definitely been replaced by the Multipet plush toy, or also known in our house as Mr. Giraffe. So my dog, to say the least, is obsessed with this toy. As you can see, he has extra long arms and legs, and at the end of each arm and leg, there's a little squeaker. This definitely gets her going crazy. You might think this toy would be too big for my 10-pound dog. She can actually barely keep it in her mouth when she walks around with it, but she loves it. I feel like that's the combination of the squeakers and the super soft plush on the actual toy. Let's see an example of Gertrude going crazy for this toy. As you can see, my dog is quite aggressive with her toys, so she can play for hours and hours with this guy. No stuffing's coming out. I love the fact that it's so well made. This toy is truly her best friend. So if you're looking for a new toy for your dog, me and Gertrude definitely recommend this toy. It's very well made. My dog is obsessed with it. I know that yours will too, and that's my point of view.